first one on Lanier, son. Underneath us. A good one, too. Underneath us. 20 foot of water, I see. I wish we had markers. Holy crap. Kenan, left side, not right side, Bubba. That might be a catfish. That's a rock, dude. I don't care what it is, though. What is that, Kenan? No, it ain't rolling yet. We've been on Lanier for how long?
10 minutes.
10 minutes? We're already hooked up. I think that might be a catfish, but it's okay. It's okay. I'd be like that. Be a big 6-pound spotted bass. He is doing some wild shit, ain't he? Yeah.
Even cast out.
Oh my god! Get him up, get him up. Ah! Ah! First fish on this place, holy crap. Oh my god, Kenan, take a picture of that, dude. Get in, oh my god. First one, first spot. Yeah, baby. Look at that, son. Look at that. Here. What did I tell you? Huh? Yeah. It's right there where I was saying. So this one feels like a damn rock. Son, Lanier's, what's up? Hold on. Let me find him. Oh my god! They're all big. Oh my gosh. Kenan, get the trolling motor, dude. It's another 5, dude. It's another 5. I promise you. Another 5. Yeah. Oh, Kenan's whooping my butt right now, guys. Get it, son. Get it.
Nah, I take that back.
Just pay attention. Pay attention. Ooh. 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 Last time I was whooping Kenan, now Kenan's whooping me. Let him run with it. Let him run with it. Just keep that rod tip down. There you go. I got the thing on constant, so you got to let me know. Keep it away from the trolling motor. Oh, he's a donkey, bro. This is a Lanier donkey, guys. Kenan's getting nervous. I hear him. Oh, he gets.
You hear me breathing right now? I'm fucking scared.
Oh, it's a donkey, man. Hey, keep rod tip down. Rod tip down. Rod tip down. That's a donkey.
Come on. He's still fighting.
Oh my god. Ah! Donkey boy! Yeah! Now that's Kenan's 5. Where's your hook at, son? You glad I came out of that one? That's a donkey, boys. Keenan got him a donkey. You want to get put on donkeys, you come fishing with us.
Oh my god.
You want to go mess with Altoona, go ahead, but here you donkey.
Dude, that's fucking...
Here you donkey. That's over 5 easy, son.
Holy shit.
Show that camera, son. Let me see. Let me see.
Dude.
Let me see that. Let that thing hang. Let me see that belly, dude. That donkey. That donkey, son. I went after that one, son.
You did. I'm glad you did, because my...
502, Keenan. Lock. Look, I locked it in at 5.
I just beat my P.
Locked it in at 5.
Personal best, baby.
Here.
That's my personal best.
There you go.
Oh my gosh. That is my personal best.
Turn it a little bit more sideways. I'm sorry, like, just there.
Like this?
Yeah, there you go. Belly. All right, turn it sideways again. There you go. God, Keenan, good job, brother.
Good job on the net.
Oh, I knew it. I knew when I seen him. God, rip its head off. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's good.
Keenan's having all the fun without me. Oh my God. Oh crap.
I was not expecting to dive bomb like that.
Donkey, 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 donkey. No, 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 no.
He's so good. He ain't on it.
Said every man.
There you go.
Oh. He just got another one.
Dude, we probably need to go through them.
Here, give me your thing.
Where is it at?
Where did it go? Right there.
Oh, dude,
That's a hammer. That's a 4. Everything. You got the fish. You got. That's a good one. That's a good one.
You got the baits. There's baits here.
So I kind of feel bad right now, dudes, because we rolled up on these people. We didn't get in their way. We're really far away, but they're watching us catch fish. But I mean, you can see what's that, 500 yards away. But you know, they were in this area. It's not nothing to be sad about. Yeah, it's public lake. We didn't cut them off or anything, but this one's fighting weird, though. That's a good one. It's a good one. Nah, it's a 4. What do you think? Maybe a 5?
He's a high 4. He's a high 4.
He's a high 4?
He's a high 4.
Keenan, right on that buoy, bro. It's the killer.
I know. Where do you think I got that?
High 4. Let's get me a.
God.
You need to tighten that drag down, son.
Dude, this is a good one.
Is it?
Oh, yes.
He said, "Oh yes." Get over there. Hey, motor. You're good. You're good. I got this. I got this. Ah, we're all tied up. Hey, he's coming up. He's coming up.
I know.
You like Lanier now, don't you? Loosen it up a little bit.
That track was set pretty far.
Holy shit, the big one. Oh my God. Oh shit. Barely had him hooked. Oh man. I was about to catch that fish, boys, and that was a good hook. Yeah.
My drag.
Well,
fucking,
just screw it.
Yeah, break it. I'll retie. There you go.
So that was intense. Oh, can't grab your 5, son.
Oh God, he is.
Let's see it. Let's see it. Kenan, let's see it, huh? You don't find them on tuna, do you? Let's get a real weight on it, though. All right, I'm gonna guess. Real talk. I'm gonna say a 4 or 5 to
I don't. It's on my jacket.
Four or 1.
4-1.
I thought it would be a 4 or 5.
I'll take a 4-1.
I think that's wrong, son. I don't know.
I'll take a 4-1. I don't care.
Holy crap, Kenan. Kenan.
I see.
Did you see how that? Yeah. Oh, Kenan. Kenan. We're in trouble, son.
Holy shit, that's huge, dude.
Net it, Kenan. Oh my gosh, a mine. What? Kenan reeling. Oh my. Holy crap. That, boys. That's a long one, though, ain't it? That's a chump. There we go.
Don't worry about the trolling motor.
Hold on, son. That's a good one. They're feeding over here, boys. Ain't they, Keno? Keno. We need to run up on that striper, son. Hey, Bubba.
I see him.
Is he pretty good?
Yep.
Alright.
Good.
Hopefully he stays on.
Don't fucking say that.
Oh, this place is wild, dude. Yeah.
There we go.
It's a 5, bruh.
There we go.
Keno, get your pole. Get the trolling motor. Boys, we are Lanier fishing for them biggins. Ain't we, Keno? Might be fat, they might be all the way around. That's a good one. They like that marker over there, son.
Where we got?
Over here. Go ahead and reel your pole in.
I ain't going nowhere.
Hey, put your foot on it. Guys, we're just tearing them up at this little honey hole. Kim? Ah, come on, Bubba, come on. Get that thing for me. Alright. Another chunk! Kim, grab the, I'm catching them right off that drop off, Bubba. Yeah, let him take it good. Look. He got it up.
The only thing that's keeping this one from going is tight line.
Alright, tight line, Bubba.
I did not get a good hit.
I seen it. I seen that horrible hook. Keenan set the hook and the damn fit when he set the hook. The best
Pole
hook set.
went behind my head.
Yeah, pole went behind his head. Guys, if you're fishing Lanier, look for the birds. Keenan, let's see that one.
Nice little,
That's a
nice
chunk.
2.5.
Yeah.